Hi beauties, it's Jean Piersanti with Beauty and the Stamper. And yep, I'm sneaking in a last minute Valentine gift idea or just some decoration. So it's a Dollar Tree DIY and I'm going to use some rubber stamps, some stays on. Of course, it is Stampin' Up, which if you want any of it, you can always purchase from me. I'll put my description and link down in, or my link in the description. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe. I would love to show you more DIYs and more Stampin' Up. Whatever you feel like, I probably have it if you are crafty at all. So, okay, we've got this gorgeous little nightlight here. And I have my stays on. I do have a Stampin' Blends. Now, the Stampin' Blends and the stays on do not combine well together. So you can't stamp and then put this on. It will not work. So what I want to do is I'm going to take from my Sweet Conversations stamp set. We're going to do this You Are Cute. And I'm going to, this one would also be cute just to have Happy to Have You in My Life. That would be sweet to have all year long, right? That would be adorable. But I want to do this You Are Cute because this heart is very similar in size to this one here. So what I'm doing is I'm going to put this just kind of over it, see about where this is, and then I'm going to take my larger end of this just to have some purple in there. And I'm going to just go like this. I'm going to go right. So it looks kind of like a heart. That one's a little bit lighter. So I'm going to go with a darker color as well. So the darker color that I'd like to have on there is going to be, well, that's still a little too light. I'm going to go with, which this one? Some Blackberry Bliss. That should be a little bit darker, but again, I'm just going to go over where we already have it. There we go. So there you go, just like that. We're going to let that dry. It is alcohol, so it's going to dry rather quickly. And then what we're going to do is we're going to take this You Are Cute. This is quick and easy, and I'm like, yes, this can be done. And I, of course, misplaced it. Otherwise, I would have had this done earlier. I had it in my bucket, the wrong bucket. So I'm getting that stamped up. Love the smell of this. And then I'm just going to take this, hold it as still as I can, and we're going to pop that right down on here. And I'm just going to push. It did not come out as I wanted it to. I must have left it on a little bit too long. Or I probably actually didn't have enough. Hold, please. All right. Quick tip. Always re-ink your pad beforehand, which was my fault not doing that. Oh yeah, it smells so good. All right, we're gonna get that nice in there. And now I'm not even putting any out there. I'm just working that in. So quick little tip, if you don't know how to re-ink, that is it with those re-inkers. So we're going to get this all nice and juicy again. And unfortunately, I don't have like a stamparatus, so we are going to try and get this right back on there. Perfect again. There we go. Look how cute that is. Not too bad, not too bad. if I would have just done it right the first time, but you could see that squiggle in there. And then I'm going to take some little pearls here, and we're going to put some of these little guys right on here. Well, actually, I think I'm going to go with these smaller ones because I want to put a little bit more than I normally do. So I go at the top, go at the bottom, then I'm going to go at the middle, which would be right about there, I'm thinking. And I'm going to go right there. Look at how cute. Then I'm just going to go in between them. And look at how adorable that is. Wouldn't that be super cute? Like just as a little gift. You do want to make sure you are watching these. I wouldn't just leave it unattended. That is for sure. So there we go. I think that's a cute little idea, a nice little light. Even if you don't stamp it and you just want to add the little rhinestones to it, super cute. All right, beauties, I hope you like this little Dollar Tree DIY. Again, if you wanted to order any of the stamp stuff, just go right here, jeanpersani.stampinup.net, and then you can use my host code. All right, have a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye!